So believe it or not, Google has now released a new version of their Gemini model. So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use Gemini 3.5. Now, it's a very easy process that doesn't take too much time. The first thing to understand is that you can either go through and you can access it via their website component, or you can also access it via their application. So if you have the Google Gemini application, all you're going to have to do here is basically make your way over into your Apple App Store like this, find the Gemini application or just search up Gemini, and then what you can do here is basically just update the Gemini application. So if you see that little update button up here, go ahead and update your Gemini app, and that should go through and allow you to get that latest 3.5 model. Also, if you're on the website component, so if you're on the website like you are right over here, what you can do here instead is to basically just go through, search up the website, and then at the very bottom, you'll be able to find this little toggle right over here that says something like Flash. Well, if you tap on that little toggle, you should also be able to see this new model that you have right over here. So at this point, you can tap on the Flash model or whatever model you have here. You can go and choose it, and that's another thing you can kind of do there as well. So that's basically how you do it. It's a very simple process, but that's essentially how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.